What's up, everyone? Today we're gonna be making chicken Alfredo. I really be want to make like chicken Alfredo with shrimp or chicken Alfredo with broccoli, but my boyfriend he don't eat shrimp or broccoli, so yeah, that sucks. So right now I had boiled the chicken, boiled the noodles, strain the noodles. Well, I'm sorry, the pasta, strain the pasta. Sorry, all the steam could get in the camera. And I'm not good at these voiceovers, so I know I'm a little behind or whatever. But yeah. And I kind of did this differently. I usually had a sauce already boiling and have it already getting hot. But this time for the video, I just poured it on top. I should have had a little bit more sauce to make it a little bit creamier, wetter looking, whatever. But I mean, it still was good. Like, it was good. It tasted as if it tasted last time when I used more sauce. So, yeah. And the only reason I used this type of chicken was because the store I had got it from had a buy one, get one free. And I didn't really know what to make with it, so I was like, well, I can make some pasta with it. So I made pasta with it, and that's the outcome. It really was very yummy. And you can use this meat right here as an alternate to make it very easy, very simple, very quick. Thanks for watching, you guys.